Hello and welcome to What's New in Ideate Explorer for the Spring 2017 release. My name is Glynis Patterson with Ideate Software. Thanks for joining me today for this short update video. This video is designed for existing Ideate Explorer customers and covers the new features and benefits found within this April 2017 release. Revit version 2018 became publicly available in April 2017. I know that's confusing. And so did the 2018 version of Ideate Explorer. Not only is Ideate Explorer for Revit 2018 now available, but please be aware that there are also meaningful improvements made to versions 2016 and 2017. Part of the value of your Ideate software maintenance and subscription purchases include these no-cost updates. All the changes mentioned in this video apply to Revit 2016, 2017, and Revit 2018 unless otherwise noted. In this release, you'll find new features, UI enhancements, and bug fixes. Before we cover the improvements, I want to thank all those who help us improve. Much of the work we are about to review is a direct result of this feedback, so thanks. Now, let's take a look at what you've been asking for and how we've addressed your requests. Did you know that Ideate Explorer can be used within Revit's Family Editor? This first request comes from several customers who have rigorous quality assurance processes and want to use Ideate Explorer to find and delete only those reference planes that are not significant. We've added the isReference value to help in quickly finding those that are a strong reference or to delete those that are not a reference. This next feature represents a long requested need to remove any nested elements from a selection set. Without this functionality, it's easy to get frustrated because seemingly simple changes like adjusting the phase of the work set are thwarted, as shown here in the Properties palette. Now you can use Ideate Query to refine your selection set based on the isNested property. In this example, you'll see that of the 770 selected elements, 117 of them were being nested. Removing them from the selection makes the phase and workset properties editable for all the rest. Those nested elements take their phase and workset values from the parent, so don't worry about them. Revit will manage that relationship. A similar improvement that you'll find in this release relates to model group data. As with the isNested property, the addition of model group properties to Ideate Query means that you can now have superior control and auditing power over your project's model groups. Select all or some of your model groups, launch Ideate Query, then review the model properties including element count, reference level, and even members excluded. The addition of the Save and Load selection buttons is another requested improvement. This change gives you easy access to Revit's saved selection tools and will enhance any complex auditing or QC process. Here, we have already selected all the pipe fittings in the project because we suspect that some of the angles are not conforming to our requirements. After using Ideate Query to isolate the non-standard sizes, we can easily save these elements to a selection set for review later, maybe even sending the list to someone else to fix. Of course, some of our improvements relate to functionality that is new within Revit 2018. In this release of Ideate Explorer 2018, we are including support for the improved Revit multi-story stair object, and we're taking advantage of the change to the API that lets us use Ideate Explorer within Perspective View now. We are only able to maintain our quality through your excellent communications with our team. If you have a moment, please do send us your requests. You can do this through the Help menu as shown. We want to know both the good and the ugly. Even if you need more information in our help file, we want to know, so be sure to drop us a line. There are two ways you can access the latest versions of Ideate Explorer. From the Ideate Explorer Help menu, you can use the Check for Updates option, which will display your version and connect you to the download page to access the latest, or you can browse to our website for the trial version. The installs are simple and do not require an uninstall. If you're on maintenance or subscription, you may access the 2018 software version. If not, please contact your local sales representative or email us at sales@ideatesoftware.com. Be sure to check out our in-product and online help files for detailed information on how to make the most of Ideate Explorer. For more information on Ideate software, including online training, recorded videos, and upcoming events, visit us online at ideatesoftware.com. Thanks for listening to What's New in Ideate Explorer for the Spring 2017 release.